Hi everybody and welcome back, and today we will be discussing about how to add tracking to your Shopify store. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So I currently have made an online store. Let's just make a tracking system as well. So first of all, what we need to do is simply head over to our products, and we are going to be defining on which particular product we need to add tracking to. Let's just say this is the mouse that I'm trying to sell. I want to add some tracking to this. So simply scroll a little bit down and you can see we have various statistics being shown. So this product is going to be tracking using this track quantity option. So make sure that this is enabled, and boom, that is pretty much it. You will be able to see all of these analytics, and not only here, you can see these analytics showing onto your main admin panel. So make sure to give try to that, and you can see these sales and everything. So yeah, that is it, pretty much it for this video, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.